I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Stop spending your evenings on paperwork. PD Tech is here to help you get your weekends back.
Learn how to add a minor adjustment when a transaction in Xero differs to the bank statement line by a small amount. In the Reconcile tab of the Bank Reconciliation, find the statement line you need to reconcile. In this example, we've paid Swanston Security $59.55, but Xero hasn't found a direct match. We know we've entered a bill for the expense, but we need to find out why Xero hasn't suggested a match. Click the Match tab on the right-hand side, then search for the supplier, which in this example is Swanston, and click Go. We have a bill for $59.54, but we've slightly overpaid, so Xero hasn't turned the transaction green. To reconcile the statement line to the bill, we must make a minor adjustment. Select the checkbox for the relevant bill. Scroll to point 3, where you'll see a red warning that the total is out by the difference between the statement line and the selected bill. To resolve the difference, click Adjustments and choose Minor Adjustment from the list. Enter the adjustment amount, which can be a positive or negative amount, depending on whether the amount is under or overpaid. In this example, we've overpaid, so we need to enter a positive amount in the Minor Adjustment field. Xero shows a green tick when the totals match. Click OK or Reconcile to confirm the match. Xero posts minor adjustments to a rounding account, which you can periodically clear by posting a manual journal. Use minor adjustments to quickly reconcile statement lines if a customer receipt or a supplier payment differs from the transaction in Xero, without needing to edit the invoice or bill.